Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. In 2025, YouTube TV offers a 21-day free trial for new subscribers. Here's how you can take advantage of this offer. How to get the YouTube TV free trial. 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Go to the official YouTube TV site. 2. Sign up. Click on the Try 21 Days for $0 button. 3. Log in with Google. Use your Google account to sign in. 4. Enter payment information. Provide your billing details. You won't be charged until the trial ends. 5. Start watching. Enjoy over 100 live channels including sports, news, and entertainment. After the free trial, billing. After the 21-day trial, you'll be charged $59.99 a month for the next 2 months. Regular pricing. Following the discounted period, the subscription will renew at the standard rate of $82.99 a month. Managing your subscription. Cancel anytime. You can cancel your subscription during the trial period without being charged. Access until end. If you cancel, you'll still have access to YouTube TV until the trial concludes. For a step-by-step visual guide on signing up for the YouTube TV free trial, check out the following video.